Bad situations often bring out the best in people, and that's exactly what's happening across the state tonight. Dejiana Wilson joins us from Hidden Rose Farm in Bourbon County, where this morning's storms left behind a lot of damage. Fortunately, the cleanup is already well underway, thanks to the kindness of neighbors stepping in to help.
This barn shows just some of the damage here at Hidden Rose Farm in Paris. Community members and even those traveling far distances have made their way here, rallying behind one of the community's most cherished horse farms.
It probably only lasted about 10 or 15 seconds until it was over.
Josh Jones and his fiancee, Chelsea Sherman, along with one of their workers, were in this barn when the tornado hit, destroying the barn next to the left and majority of the garage to the right.
Surprised, we wasn't expecting it to happen like that. We expected maybe a little wind, a couple things blowing around, but not entire buildings to come down.
The farm was set to have an Easter celebration, which was canceled with severe weather expected.
Bittersweet, I guess. You lose everything and so fast, but so many people come together to help you. It's hard to be down.
People helping in cleaning up damage and getting fences put back together for the horses.
I drove an hour and 37 minutes from here, and just even though with the storms, they shouldn't be going through that alone, and the most help they can get is what we can help for.
Facebook spreading the awareness, even a GoFundMe has started to help in repairs.
Grabbed the tools I had, grabbed the circular saw, and came out to help do what we can.
The owners say community members will be gathering again tomorrow starting at 8 a.m. to continue repairs. In Bourbon County, Dejiana Wilson, Fox 56 News.